Sup, everybody. Super Gamer 3 here. I'm sorry I haven't uploaded in a really long time, but yeah, I'm gonna make up with it with this video. So pretty much, this game called The Streets. I bought like every game passes here because it's a really fun game. But like recently, it's just been crowded with like online daters, trollers. So I'm gonna see if I can like hit some of them and run away. Or in other words, I want to see how many people I can get to hate me possible, and then we're just gonna try and fight them back. Alright then, so first we just gotta go attack everyone we see. We just no holds barred. Just these people that are fighting. Look at that. Just die. Oh, and she didn't care. Or maybe because she thought it was a little bruise, but now I'm gonna give her more than a bruise. Pew 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 pew. Pew pew. Oh crap! Oh crap! No! Get away! Get away! Get away! I'm getting shot at. Oh my god! Help! No! 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 Don't you dare! No! 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 Well, we've already got like 3 people to hate us so far. So that's good, I guess. Oh my god. Nope. Well, this guy actually defended me. So pretty much 2 people to hate us. That's not good at all. So let's just try and shoot every person that we even see here. Like everyone. Like just nobody's gonna live anymore when we're done here. And there's gonna be like a couple of parts to this. But I have to split the videos up, so yeah. Oh, I hit that. I hit those shots. Also, these cars in this game are really broken. You can die. Oh no! Oh no! They got shotties! They got shotties! Okay, so the best way to get people to hate us is just to break in here and just start hitting everyone. I hit like 5 people at like the same time. Including this knife guy. Who's actually... What? Why is he protecting me? Does everyone, like, freaking... Does everyone respect my expensive look? Oh, nope. Just ear rape. Get away from that part. Some stuff going on here. That guy has a knife. I think that's the same dude who, like, tried to stab me. Oh my god! XDDDDDD. Get wrecked. Oh crap. Oh crap, no, I forgot most music DJ things have shotguns. They have shotguns, boys. Oh, I forgot to reload my shotty. XD. What the heck is... Are you just gonna leave me here? Please, no. Oh, no, you're just gonna reset. Come here, boy. Just shoot everyone in sight. Just do not let... There's another Dora the Explorer. Jesus, how many Dora the Explorers are there in this game now? Like, there's like so many, like, look at this. What? Dora, hashtag. Oh my god. What the heck are those big feet just stomped on my head? My head should just be exploded. Okay, another good way to get people to hate you is go into the prison and break all the prisoners out. Ugh, break him out, save him, save the prisoners. Apparently there's only 1 prisoner, but yeah, let's save him. Oh crap, now she's stuck in here too. She's stuck. I got out. Oh my. No, I want to get back in. No. It's a disaster. Everyone in there dislikes me. GG. Okay. I just need to finish off that Dora person now. Dora, say that name, Dora. Now die, Dora. And her DJ man doesn't even defend her. Dora has to do everything herself. Now I kind of feel bad for Dora. She's like, boy, help me. I'm getting attacked by a random. Oh my god! This is... You! Oh, you're the worst! You're the worst, Ice Arms! You're the worst! Kill Dora! Stupid Dora! Go to hell, Dora! Oh my god! Help me! Help me, please! Stop! Run! 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 Oh my god! Ugh. Ouch! No! Come back here, 21 Savage Chris. Just attack everyone. Do not be friends with anyone. I am missing every single hit. I should have hit this guy at least 10 times, so let's just add that to him. Come on, die! Die! I'm breathing extremely hardly. Just shoot him with a shotgun. Miss every single shot. He's dead. Oh, and also there's a body flying glitch where you can just run on the bodies. What? What has this game even become? What? And I'm what? What? Oh! Oh my god! Oh, okay, okay. I will not question anything that happened there. Who you? Or you can't just be asking who people are. Everyone's themselves. Whether you like it or not. Oh, I'm dying, I'm dying, I'm dying. Looks like I gotta pull out my shoddy. Oh. Yep. Nope, 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 nope. Kill me. My name Dora. I thought your name was Dora. Kill me, just kill me, please. Kill me, help me, somebody. Swiper, no swiping. No. No, 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 no. Ooh! Shoot random people. Even shoot this guy. Who apparently did nothing wrong. I'm just gonna shoot him. He probably has like a Uzi up his hand and he's just not even showing it. Oh god! Oh my god! Get away! No, 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 no! Get away, get away, get away! Ouch. Oof! 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 Jesus. Yeah, we're dead. Oh, and you... come back here, come back here, come back here, come back here. What? What? None of my shots hit! I'm done. I'm done. I'm actually done. Let's just attack these people one more time, and I'm probably gonna end the video there. Let's get rid of these people. No! That's evil. That's real evil. Wait, they don't have guns. They don't have guns! XD, IMO, PBD. Kill him! Kill this guy! No! Dora! Oh my god! Come on, fly, fly! Fly! Go! No! Fly high! Soar high! I don't know! Oh no! Oh my god. You want him? You want him? You want him? Alright, this is the final showdown, boys. This is the final showdown. Okay, let's just do it fair and square. Only fists. No crap, no Uzis, no nothing. Just fists. Let's go, boy. Let's go. Ah, I'm probably typing something. Oh, nope. Oh, he got Ultra Instinct. Ultra Instinct, Nani? This guy can dodge. How good are you at dodging? Actually, how good are both of us at dodging? He's taking this fight down to the road. He has just Ultra Instinct and he just dodges everything. No, he runs away. He runs away. Oh no, I have no stamina. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. I'm giving him opportunities to hit me because I feel like he's just gonna run away when I hit him too much. I'm just wasting my stamina and just like sitting still so he can hit me. This is actually scarily equally matched. Is this guy like my older twin or something? We're so equal! Does someone win? I don't care if I lose or not. Come on. Come on, come on, come on. Ow! Ow! God! Oh, that hurt. Got him. Bam. Okay, boys. So I think I'm gonna end it there. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I only made this video to like make like as a hold up because I only made this video because like I really like have not made a video in a long time, so I just decided to make this video. I'll try to make everyone hate me in the street. So we will do this in different parts. There'll probably be 4 of them, and we are just gonna do it on different games that have weapons to see like we're just gonna see all the chaos that emerges. But today on the streets is actually relatively peaceful. Like, normally you have a gang of people just chasing you, but this time that was definitely not the case. So yeah, pretty much. I'd like to thank you guys for watching this video, and yeah, bye.